Good morning, Caleb. Let's have a quiz. What is the sound of the car? Beep, beep. Okay. What is the sound of the motor? Vroom. What is the sound of letter A? Anong E? What is the sound of letter A? Oh, it's letter A. What is the sound of the monkey? Paano umiyak si Ate Giana? Paano umiyak? Paano umiyak? Paano umiyak? Paano umiyak? Oh, no biting, no biting. Paano umiyak? Okay. What is the sound of letter M? What is the sound of letter P? P. Nakalimutan mo na. Nagagalit ka pa. P. What is the sound of letter S? Caleb. Ay sus, ano ba yan? Nagku-quiz na to? Ano ba naman itong nagku-quiz na to? O Caleb, madali. What is the sound of the dog? Tumingin ka dito sa camera.